Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to look into how to copy hashtags and text from Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and select the post containing the hashtags. Once the hashtag is open, take a screenshot of it, which will be automatically saved to your gallery. Download an app called Copy Text on Screen. I will be providing the link down in the description below. Once the app has been downloaded, upload the screenshot image to extract the text or hashtag from that image. Select the text and the hashtag that you want to extract from the image and click the tick option. Once the extract is done, click the entire text and copy. Once the copying is done, you can paste this to your post on Instagram. You can apply this method to copy the hashtags from YouTube also. So that's all about it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions or queries, please drop them in the comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.